Some of these get pretty small, so you have to really zoom in so you can highlight the area. There's a little spot back here which actually isn't filled in. You can see we got an empty space here. To take care of those, what I want to do is click on my shape enough times until the whole thing lights up. Use my L key for the line and come back and draw the line. Now when I connected that, it didn't make a filled in space, but I have an extra line. Now I don't want this line to be here at this point, and I just happen to know that because I've worked through this a couple of times. To get rid of that line, I'm going to hit the escape key, and that goes away. Now I can come down here and draw in my line, and you can see it fills in that space, fills in that space, and then this space should have filled in if it was a complete triangle. So again, there must be something going on here that's breaking the three sides of this triangle. And what I suspect is where this line is coming up, it intersects this line before it gets to the point. The only way we're going to see that is we're going to have to get in very, very close, and yes, sure enough, you can see how this line is intersecting with this line. So I have to click here and create a new triangle to here. Alright, you can see that part of that's filled in now, but we still have an open space. And again, if you look, see, here's a triangle possible, here's a triangle possible, and if we connect these 2 points, it will complete the triangle and fill in that space. So just as an explanation, what SketchUp wants to do is it wants to construct in triangles to fill in spaces. Now I could use my scroll wheel and roll and roll and roll to get back, but we can move back much faster. Go clear up here near the top and look at this tool right here. It's a little magnifying glass with 4 arrows pointing away from it. That'll automatically bring us right back to the full picture. So let's click on it once, and boom, you can see we're out right back to where we can see our image and what we're working on. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is if I click in the gray area, you can see we've got all kinds of lines and various colors. And what I want to do is I would like it all to be white. Well, what happens in the default is one side is gray, the other is white. So if I turn this around, see how it's white here, gray here. So what I want to do is right click to open it, and I'm going to keep clicking until I get just one, I was using the left click, one area highlighted. Then right click, reverse face, right click, reverse face, right click, reverse place. And we're going to continue that in the third section of this element.